Have you ever wondered why your money disappears so fast? It's not usually one big mistake. It's the small daily habits that slowly drain your wallet. Today, I'll show you 7 money habits that are keeping you poor, and I'll share simple steps to break them. As Aristotle once said, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. That also applies to your money. Habit 1, spending before you get paid. Many people spend money they don't even have yet. Credit cards make this even easier. They buy groceries, clothes, even trips, before their salary even hits the account. The danger? If something unexpected happens, like a medical bill or a delayed paycheck, you're already in debt. Set a rule for yourself. Never spend money you don't already have. Budget your income into categories: bills, savings, and fun money. As Warren Buffett said, if you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you need. That's the reality of spending before you earn. Habit 2, living on installments. Installments look small, only $70 a month, but they pile up. One TV, one phone, one sofa, one trip, and suddenly half of your income is gone before the month even starts. Only use installments for real needs like a home or education. Everything else? Pay in full. If you can't afford to buy it in cash, you probably can't afford it yet. Robert Kiyosaki, in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, said, "The rich buy assets. The poor only have expenses. The middle class buy liabilities they think are assets. Most installments, they're just liabilities." Habit 3, no emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down. Fridges stop working. Medical bills appear. Without an emergency fund, you'll use credit and pay interest. Example, a $400 car repair quickly becomes $600. After interest, fix. Start small. Save 10% of your income every month. Build a fund worth 3 to 6 months of expenses. Warren Buffett said, "Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving." Habit 4, spending to impress others. Many people go broke, trying to look rich. New phones, designer clothes, luxury cars. But here's the truth. Nobody cares as much as you think. Example, a $1,000 iPhone bought on credit while struggling to pay rent. That's not wealth. That's financial slavery. Before you buy, ask, do I need this? Or am I just trying to impress? Will Rogers once said, too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. That's the trap you must avoid. Habit 5, not tracking your expenses. If you don't track your money, it disappears. Small daily costs add up. Example, $3 coffee every day is $90 a month, over $1,000 a year. Track every expense, big or small. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet. Peter Drucker said, "What gets measured gets managed." The same rule applies to your money. Habit 6, ignoring investments. Keeping money in savings or in your checking account means losing to inflation. Every year, your money buys less. Example, $1,000 saved 5 years ago is worth much less today. Start investing. Safe options like bonds, index funds, or high-yield savings accounts. You don't need to be rich to invest. You just need to start. Habit 7, not thinking long-term. Most people only think about today, but wealth is built over decades. Example, Investing $200 a month at age 20 can grow into $500,000 by age 60. Wait until 40 to start, and you'll have less than half. Stop saying, "I'll save later." The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. A famous proverb says, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now." The same is true for building wealth. Let's recap. Spending before you get paid. Living on installments. No emergency fund. Spending to impress. Not tracking expenses. Ignoring investments. And not thinking long-term. These are the habits that keep you broke. Warren Buffett said, "Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken." Change your habits. Change your future. Now that you know what's keeping you poor, it's time to change. Start with just one habit today. You'll see results faster than you think. For more simple, practical tips on money, hit subscribe and join us on the path to financial freedom.